What was that all about?
It must be some kind of booby trap to protect the treasure.
It's a good thing you're so short. Hey, you're no giant yourself, buddy.
How are we supposed to get through here without coming out like Swiss cheese?
We'll just jump.
Amazing! That's more than 50 feet.
Okay, Krillin, it's your turn.
No, don't try it, Krillin! You'll be skewered! Goku's not a normal kid!
Are you okay?
That sure was close.
Okay, Bulma, you try it now.